Sector rotation never stops, only attention does. Now, as a busy professionals, we have all seen this play out again and again. AI had a moment, metal moved, silver is being discussed now, defense led some humongous rally a few years ago. Themes rotate, cycles change. The real challenge isn't about predicting the next theme, it's knowing how to track them peacefully without noise. This is not about tips or stock picks. It's about learning how investors observe sectors' behaviors over time. So let me show you how I organize this on TradingView tool. Walk you through step by step. I use it to group sectors, track relative movements, and keep key companies visible without constantly searching for it. It's again from paid version tool, but I will show you fully legal workaround if you are using free version of TradingView. So this is something which I will share my screen and walk you through step by step. Now, if you see here TradingView, you have watch list. Now I'm using the desktop version of it, which I love it. But if you are using um, uh, web version, you can find it something called watch list. So if you go here, you can see a list. So if I open the list, you can create a new list, you can import a list and all that. So if I have various lists here, you can see the recent ones here. The way I uh, abbreviate that India, because I track multiple market, multiple sectors, and I want to be on top of it. And stay till then because I will share with you the tip as well how to do a legal hack to it. So I do India dash sector dash textile. So and I put a small icon to it also to give me quick glance to it what I'm looking at it. So that way I don't have to like tire. I have red circle, a shipbuilding. I've got a ship and things like that. So I can just open the list and if I show you the list here, it opens up. And if I make it small, so you see here I've got railways. I got various other sugar, metals, medias, logistics, and these days, as you can see, if I have to look at the technology, I can simply look at it tech, software, and I should be getting the sector ID mid cap. And I create it separately. So I click on it and I will get all the companies and um, I use the label feature. You can see there is something called flag, and you can flag them, track them differently so that's right on the face, so you can track them easily as well. And I do this for different countries. For example, I would have for Australia a different list of sectors right above, like Australia, I got for ID sector, I got for ETFs, metal sector. So it's quite useful and handy way of tracking it because then you are creating those watch lists and being ready when things are there because you can play the cycle multiple times. Having that segregated helps me because you have opportunity again comes through, and these are the times where you are fully organized. If you're using the free version of TradingView, then what you can do is you can go to your mobile app and there you can create the TradingView watch list as many you want. It was available. I'll share the link below on the video which I recorded earlier as well, so that can you can follow that steps. And then you can watch and get those TradingView watch lists here on Windows app as well, so that you can enjoy the paid feature for free. If you're new to my channel, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell because it always helps us, and it is the only thing which doesn't cost you but also encourages us to make such more useful videos for you, and also find some new peaceful weekend investors where we can learn and build this community together. Thank you. Bye bye.